Thank you for the opportunity to meet with you. I will discuss what Noto is and Noto's connection to UDHR. I am the second Noto generation at Google. I am a technical program manager specializing in funds and have worked on Noto since 2015. Noto funds were started by the first Noto generation around 2012. Initially, they were known as the Droid fund family because of their connection with the Android phone system. However, after both Chrome and Android decided to fund them, the first Noto funds arrived in early 2014. Noto funds are part of the Google Design Platform. Billions of devices and millions of websites globally use Noto funds. Noto as a brand name is derived from tofu. Tofu, also known as the bean curd, is an Asian food derived from soy milk. It is frequently served in cubes. Tofu is also a word used for the empty box shown by a computer while displaying a character when it cannot find an appropriate glyph in a font. The more languages a device can cover, the less tofu will be presented to a user. No tofu was our ultimate goal, so the Noto family name was chosen as a shortened No Tofu. Noto project now offers funds for more than 150 scripts and over 1,000 languages using over 2,600 font files. At this point, all non-CJK Noto funds are open source for both binary font files and sources, published on GitHub and licensed under SIL Open Font License. The open Noto sources enable us to think of Noto as a reference implementation, an example of how a font developer might implement a script. Unicode Consortium defines a standard for both emojis and text. Only scripts specified by the Unicode have a chance to become part of the Noto family. It will not be part of Noto if it is not part of the Unicode standard. When a font developer updates a font or creates a new one needs to test it using sample text. When developing a Noto font, we also need to demonstrate how it looks when presented with other fonts in the Noto family. Our Noto website needs to show the capabilities and look of the font. The requirements for the text samples are as follows. A text sample needs to be available in many languages. We need to have rights to display or use this text, and the text has to be acceptable and non-controversial to all readers. Using the Universal Declaration of Human Rights, UDHR, is perfect as a text sample for many, but not all, living languages. UDHR samples are available for about 490 languages. Noto covers about 1,000. Besides defining a standard for both emojis and text, Unicode also runs UDHR in Unicode project to illustrate the use of Unicode for a wide variety of languages, using the Universal Declaration of Human Rights as a representative text. The UDHR was selected because it is available in many languages. UDHR in Unicode is an open source project. We are encouraged to review existing translations or provide new ones. If you know a language, you can contribute. Noto work is never done because Unicode yearly adds new scripts or updates existing ones. Existing scripts are not perfect and have issues, and they need to be resolved. We might redesign an existing font family. If you have skills, talent, and expertise, there might be a Noto opportunity for you. Thank you.